All right, listen up. This is an urgent briefing for every single creative professional out there. What I'm about to show you is a massive shift in AI, and you need to know what's coming. First things first, you have to forget Sora. Seriously, the AI model everyone has been obsessing over, the one you thought was the benchmark, it's already been leapfrogged. It's yesterday's news. So while the entire industry was focused on the usual players, a new contender, a much more powerful one, just emerged from a place nobody was really watching. It's called Seedance 2.0. And yeah, it comes from ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. And its entire purpose, its whole reason for being, is to generate video that is so realistic, it's honestly kind of scary. So what makes this such a huge deal? Well, because Seedance 2.0 isn't just making moving pictures. No, it's building entire believable scenes from the ground up. See, it has what's called a unified engine. While other models are sort of stitching things together, a little video here, a little audio there, Seedance does it all at once. It generates the physics of the light, the subtle emotions on a person's face, and all the sound that goes with it at the exact same time. The result is a coherence that we haven't seen before. And this is where it gets really personal. It can take one single still photo of you, and from that, it can create a complete scene of you talking and moving. The implications of that alone are just staggering. Okay, let's get into the hard data. Let's look at the numbers, because this is where Seedance 2.0 doesn't just compete, it completely dominates. When you put it head-to-head with the leading AI models in the West, the difference is just stark. It is faster, the resolution is way higher, and it can handle inputs that are just far more complex. First, speed. We're talking about a 30% faster generation speed. In any kind of production workflow, that's not just an improvement, that's a total game changer. And it's not just faster, it's better. It can spit out a full 4K cinematic quality video clip in under 60 seconds. That mix of incredible speed and incredible quality, we thought that was years away. Then there's complexity. It can manage up to 12 different inputs at once. Now, think about what that means. You can feed it a bunch of different images, video clips, and audio files, and it will synthesize them all into one coherent final product. That is a level of creative control that is absolutely unprecedented. And for anyone trying to tell a story with AI, this right here, this is the holy grail. You know that classic problem where a character's face or clothes randomly change from shot to shot? Well, Seedance 2.0 has apparently solved it. That is a massive barrier to creating long-form content that has just been completely demolished. So what happens when you put all of these breakthroughs together? Well, the shockwaves hitting the creative industry are immediate and they are profound. Hollywood is officially on notice. And look, this isn't just some tech blogger hyping things up. This quote, it's from top-tier Hollywood directors who have actually seen what this tech can do. There is a real, tangible sense of panic spreading through the highest levels of the entertainment industry right now. With character consistency solved and render times this fast, fully AI-generated shows on platforms like Netflix are no longer a what-if scenario. We're being told they are just months away from becoming a reality. But here's the other side of that coin. The realism is so convincing, so insane, that ByteDance itself, the company that created it, had to urgently put limits on its features. Why? To try and stop it from being used for malicious deepfake identity theft. Even its own creators are worried about how powerful it is. And all of this brings us to the central dilemma. It's the big question that every single person in a creative field has to confront right now. What exactly are we dealing with here? Is this the most incredible tool an artist has ever been given? Something that can bring any vision to life instantly? Or is this the technology that finally automates the human soul right out of the creative process? The answer isn't clear, but the question, it's no longer avoidable. This whole landscape is changing by the day. To stay ahead of these escalating tech wars, you have to follow CollabGenerate. They're tracking this stuff constantly. The revolution isn't coming, it's already here.